Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings, so open Settings and tap Accessibility right away. Once there, scroll all the way down. Accessibility Shortcut sits at the bottom of that list. This is the first actionable step because it reveals what feature is linked to the triple-click Home or Side button. Make sure your device is unlocked so the option appears. If it's not visible, double-check you're in Accessibility, not General. Now tap Accessibility Shortcut to view assigned shortcuts. Here you'll see a checklist of features currently tied to the shortcut. Tap each checked item to unselect it. By removing all selections, you disable the triple-click behavior entirely. If multiple items remain checked, the triple-click will still open a menu, so clear every box to stop that. Once done, exit Settings and test by triple-clicking the Side or Home button to confirm nothing appears. If it still triggers, return and ensure every item is unchecked. As a final step, you can replace disabling with selecting one specific feature if you prefer a single quick access. Tap one feature so only it remains checked, then press triple-click to confirm the phone launches that feature directly instead of a menu. Make sure to test multiple times. If the shortcut still behaves unexpectedly, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches and revisit Accessibility Shortcut to reapply your choices. If problems continue, check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.